usual, making parathas. Today is February 25 and today is Wednesday and time now is 4:10 a.m. I wake up 4 o'clock for alarm. Then close fasting will be close 5:10 a.m. inshallah. And today is 7 days of Ramadan fasting. Alhamdulillah. Ang bilis ng araw. So this is tea. Make more parathas and chapatis also. And then I put already fresh milk here. Fresh milk of buffalo. Then there is also potato chips extra last night. So I make hot this one and this roast chicken or fried chicken. And I make hot this rice for me and this vegetable. Ayan, close fasting na for Sohor and will be open for iftari past 6 p.m. Ayan, may sirens na sa kaazan for Fajr. It's cooking time again. Now we'll put now this garlics and ginger. Now put now this turmeric powder. This seeds, lentils, cumin seeds, fenugreek seeds, and coriander seeds. Now we'll put now this chili powder, turmeric powder, and salt. We put already tomatoes. Now we can put now this half packet of pilau masala. This kind of masala. I add also slices of potatoes. Now we can put now this chicken. Now we can add now enough water for chicken pilau. This is similar to biryani, but biryani is different because rice must be separate to cook, but this one is together. So we have to put enough water for 1.5 kilogram of rice. So I think this is enough. So this is enough water. Now we have to wait this water become boiled, then I will put now rice. Water is already boiling. Now we can put now this 1.5 kilogram of basmati rice. I soak this one for almost 10 minutes. This basmati. So we'll put now this one here. Sana ba yung spoon? Ayan. Okay natin. So I have to put all this one. Ay. Now this half masala of pilau. Now we can add now this slices of tomatoes. Frying cauliflower. Pulgobi, they call it here, pulgobi. And then it's pakora. or 7 days Ramadan fasting. Sauteed mixed vegetables, cabbage, carrots, and radish. Chicken plow, fruit chat, sherbet or juice with chia seeds, dates. Pakora is still cooking.